No, you can't see my face because I'm on the other side. So yes. Hello people, very good evening. Welcome to my first vlog of the YouTube channel. So this is about my last 3 days in Bangalore. This is day 1, evening 1. Here I am installing some i3WM configuration on my laptop. This is my room. I know it's kind of like spread out because I'm just packing, and these are the clothes which I need to wash. And this is the scattered remains of the remaining things to pack, you know. Sometimes we just gotta do it, right? And there is Casper. It kind of rained right now, and the Bangalore weather does look amazing from here. We have to be careful. Oops. And there's that young Casper barking. Casper! 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 Bangalore weather is Bangaloring just before I leave. What a coincidence. And there's our young dog over there called Casper. Anyways, so this is the outside view from my floor on the BG. Oh. I hope you're having a good midweek, guys. Enjoy your midweek. Okay, so let's get back to it, and this is the packing which is going on at this moment. Let's go back to installing i3WM, the tiling window manager based on X11. Oh god damn, that's more than 1 gigabyte. So I hope, yeah, that's me. Sorry. I hope you guys are doing good. The Bangalore weather decides to open up just as I'm returning back to the hot and humid Delhi. You know that, right? Yeah, but I will be back. So this is day 1. Next up, dinner time. We'll go down, we'll take some pics of the food. We'll just label it because the owner will be there and we are not allowed to take videos in the common area. This has been the first scene of vlog number 0. Last 3 days in Bangalore. So let's do it, boys, and let's go. Till then, I'll be back in dinner time, and you guys have a nice one. We'll stitch it together into a coherent 15 minutes vlog.